Hello everybody, my name is Joe Hollis. So other interesting plants in this area, this is wild geranium, a very nice wildflower, and it's used medicinally as an astringent for shrinking any kind of tissues that you want to shrink. This is Solomon seal, a very delicious spring vegetable. You want to eat them. These are all just a little bit bigger than you want. The best time to eat it is when all the leaves are still in a bunch at the top. And then as it goes, one leaf unfurls and then another leaf and so on. This is our giant Solomon seal, the biggest Solomon seal in the world, thought to be a spontaneous tetraploid hybrid from the normal Solomon seal, which is only about 18 inches tall. This one can get to 5 feet. So this is very important. What's his name? Matthew Wood has been pushing this, and a lot of other people, for all kind of bone and joint issues. The root can be tinctured or put into oil, and also the root can be eaten. It's got a pretty nice flavor, and it's got a thing about staying kind of crunchy. It'd probably make a great pickle. So, edible, ornamental, and medicinal. Really a great plant. Polygonatum commutatum.